It's very easy to make a case that we are in what's called a super bull, or a secular bull market, which is going to last decades. And in the last, say, 150 years, we've seen three of those. There was one just before the First World War, driven by the expansion of Europe into the rest of the world. Tremendous growth in metal demand and strong growth that lasted for 20 or 30 years. There was another one after the Second World War, the 50s, the 60s. It went for about 25 years, and it ended in the early 70s, really, with the oil shock. But in that period, you had this great industrialization led by America, post-war industrialization that went on for decades. We are in one of those right now. So this is not going to be a 4-year bull market. I think this is going to go on for a long, long time. Obviously, I can't say when it will end, and it will end because the world is a secular metal markets do evolve in cycles. But I would make a very good case for this lasting a long, long time, and in the order of 10 to 20 years.
I think that there's a very, very safe case to be said for a potential long-term bull market well beyond the normal 3 to 5 year cycle. But more than anything, this is a secular bull market that could last more than a decade or even several decades.
Indeed, it appears as if a silver bull market is underway, and not surprisingly, some of the world's most successful value investors, men like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and George Soros, were among the first to spot the latest opportunity in silver, an opportunity in a silver bull market that appears to be just now gathering steam.
What we've seen so far is gold and silver being re-legitimized as investment classes for, let's say, professional investors, for funds, for institutions. The public, though, the general public, the general investing public, has not yet caught on to this concept. More people are looking at it in terms of seeing news reports. They're understanding to a limited extent what's going on, but by no means have we yet seen a flood of interest from retail or private investors. And therefore, I think you do have, for both gold and silver, the potential for a significant weight of new money to come in from private investors, which has yet been untapped.
Perfect opportunity, because what you've already got is you've got the solid, strong hands are in the market. They're not letting go. You built a solid base. The consolidation has taken place, so all the weak sisters are out. They were traders anyway. We don't want them in the market. Now you're in the growth phase. This is the most important place to invest. If you understand the art of investing and you want to time it, you're timing it now.
Indeed, many of our experts feel that silver's recent performance is just the start of what could be a powerful and historic move.